converting units in capacity and metric standards. Just as a reminder, there is a printable that has all of this helpful information on it for you, or specifically this week, you may be utilizing the kingdom of gallon. Remember, the kingdom of gallon is something you can say to yourself and draw on your paper as you go. As a reminder, we say there is the kingdom of gallon. In the kingdom of gallon, there are 4 queens. Each queen had a prince and a princess. Each prince and princess was spoiled and they had 2 crowns. This helps us remember pints, quarts, cups, and gallons. So in a gallon, we have 4 quarts. We have 2 pints in a quart. We have 4 cups in a quart, 2 cups in a pint. All of these little bits of information can be pulled from this picture or from your printable. So just a reminder with that. So starting with customary capacity, we are doing our gallons, quarts, pints, and cups. And what we need to do is talk about how they are converting. So here we have 1 gallon, and that equals 8 pints. And up here is the information if you needed it. We have 2 gallons, and that equals 4 quarts. We have 1 quart, that equals 2 pints. We have 1 cup, that equals 8 ounces. We have 1 quart, that equals 4 cups. And we have 1 pint, that equals 16 ounces. Any questions on these? Bring them with you to class. All right, doing capacity, this time we are looking at metric, making sure that we're comparing with greater than, less than, or equal to. Remember that metric is base 10, and you can use your printable to help you. So 10,000 milliliters is less than 1 kiloliter. 1,000 milliliters is equal to 1 liter. 1,000 liters is equal to 1 kiloliter. 1 milliliter is less than 100 liters. Over here, 1 liter is less than 100,000 milliliters, and 10 kiloliters is greater than 10 milliliters. Any questions on these? Bring them to class. Back into the kingdom of gallon, where we're looking at pints, quarts, gallons, and ounces, doing our conversions. 40 pints is equal to 5 gallons, or 10 quarts. 48 cups is equal to 3 gallons, or 12 pints. Over here, 8 cups is equal to 2 quarts, or 64 ounces. We have 16 quarts in 4 gallons. We have 512 ounces in 4 gallons. We have 2 quarts in 64 ounces. We have 4 pints in 64 ounces. 36 cups is equal to 9 quarts, and 288 ounces is equal to 9 quarts. If you have any questions on these, let me know. Most of this is just using that printable or using your information to convert them. Any questions? Bring them to class. All right, we are continuing to convert this time with our metric. So 10,000 liters is 10 kiloliters. 100,000 milliliters is 100 liters. Coming down here, 1 million milliliters is 1 kiloliter. 2,000 milliliters is 2 liters, each is 1,000. We have 4 kiloliters in 4,000 liters, so each kiloliter is 1,000 liters. And we have 9,000 liters is 9 kiloliters. Any questions? Bring them to class. Last page is looking at our word problems. It says that Glenn has a gallon of pink lemonade. How many ounces of pink lemonade does he have? 1 gallon is the same as 128 ounces. Lori brought a gallon of milk over to her neighbor's house. What is the total of cups? 1 gallon is equal to 16 cups. Stephen is frying up some chicken. If he has a quart of oil, how many ounces is that? That would be 32 ounces. Now on to metric. Chase has 7,000 milliliters of soda. How many liters does he have? He has 7 liters. Jerry uses 3,000 liters of water a week. How many kiloliters is he using? That would be 3 kiloliters. And then our last one, a bathtub holds about 300 liters of water. What is the total milliliters it can hold? 300,000 milliliters. Any questions on these, kiddos? Bring them to class.